Are you ready to unlock the secret to a better life? Today, we share a story that will show you the power of daring to be different. Sometimes in life, not fitting in is the very thing that makes you special. This story is called Dare to be Different, the Power of Not Fitting In. Once upon a time, in a small village near the edge of a wide river, lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was different from the other children. While everyone enjoyed running, playing football and climbing trees, Leo loved drawing, reading, and sitting quietly under the old oak tree. His classmates often laughed at him. "Why don't you play like us?" they would ask. Leo only smiled and said, "I just see the world differently." Leo's parents worried about him. "Leo, you must try to be like other children. You will be lonely if you don't fit in," his father said. But Leo felt in his heart that being himself was the only way he could truly be happy. One day, the village announced a big competition. A festival was coming, and the mayor said there would be a contest to create the most beautiful banner for the celebration. The whole village was excited. Children practiced dancing, playing instruments, and making decorations. Leo, however, decided to join the contest with his drawings. He wanted to paint something that showed the spirit of the village. The other children laughed again. "You think your pictures can win? Everyone knows only music and dancing will impress the mayor," they teased. But Leo quietly worked every day. He sketched the river, the mountains, the animals, and the people who lived in the village. He painted with colors that told a story, one of unity and joy. As the day of the festival came closer, Leo felt nervous. "What if they are right? What if my painting is not enough?" he thought. But then he remembered his favorite saying, "If you follow the crowd, you will go where the crowd goes. If you walk your own path, you will discover new places." The festival day arrived. The village square was filled with music, laughter, and color. One by one, the children presented their dances, their songs, and their crafts. Then it was Leo's turn. He slowly walked to the stage and unrolled his banner. The crowd gasped. The banner showed the village in a way no one had ever seen before. The shining river, the golden fields, the smiling faces of the people. It was like magic on cloth. The mayor stood up and clapped. "This painting is not just beautiful. It shows the soul of our village," he said. Leo won first prize. Everyone cheered. The children who had laughed at him before now came forward. "Leo, your art is amazing. We didn't understand it before, but now we see why you love it." From that day, Leo became known not as the boy who didn't fit in, but as the boy who made the village proud. He taught everyone an important lesson. Sometimes the thing that makes you different is the thing that makes you great. Moral of the story. After winning the festival, Leo's life changed in ways he never imagined. People began to ask him to paint signs for shops, portraits for families, and even pictures for the town hall. For the first time, Leo felt proud of who he was. He realized that his difference was not a weakness but a strength. But life was not always easy. Some people still whispered behind his back. "He is strange," they said. "He does not play like us. He does not laugh like us." At times, Leo felt the weight of their words. Yet he remembered the lesson he had learned. If you are always trying to fit in, you will never stand out. One afternoon, while painting by the river, a little girl named Anna came to him. She was shy and carried a notebook. "Leo," she said softly, "everyone laughs at me too. I like to write stories instead of playing outside. What should I do?" Leo looked at her with kind eyes and smiled. "Then write, Anna. Write with all your heart. One day, your words will make people feel something they have never felt before. Do not stop because others do not understand you. Being different is a gift." Anna's eyes lit up. "Do you really think so?" she asked. "I know so," Leo replied. Years passed, and Leo's paintings became famous beyond the village. Travelers came from faraway towns to see his art. Anna, too, grew up and became a writer. Together, they showed the world that being different was not something to hide. It was something to celebrate. The villagers slowly changed as well. They no longer mocked those who were different. Instead, they encouraged children to follow their unique passions. Some became musicians, others invented tools, and some wrote poetry. The village became known as a place of creativity and inspiration. Leo, now older, would often sit under the oak tree where it all began. Children gathered around him and he would tell them, "Never be ashamed of who you are. The world does not need another copy. It needs your true self. Dare to be different and you will shine." Moral of the story: your difference is your strength. If you follow your heart, you will not only find happiness, but also inspire others to be themselves.